Hi everyone, my name's Eileen, and in my channel you'll always find quick and easy recipes to make. Today I'm going to be making a slow cooker apple dump cake. The ingredients you'll need are 1 box of butter cake, 2 cans of apple pie filling, cinnamon, brown sugar, and 1 stick of butter. Start off by cutting your butter into small pieces. This is such a great dessert to make for a gathering or a holiday or even just on a regular cold day. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help out my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to spray your slow cooker with nonstick spray because the apple filling will caramelize at the end and it'll be very sticky. Please let me know what type of videos you prefer, whether it's slow cooker, instant pot, or just stovetop, which of the 3 you prefer to see, and whether you prefer appetizers, desserts, or dinners. Spread your apple filling evenly throughout the bottom. That way it'll ensure that you'll get an apple bite every time. I sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon on top of the actual filling, and then you place your dry cake mix on top. I went ahead and made sure that that was somewhat even as well. Then you're going to go ahead and add all your little bits and pieces of butter that you cut earlier on top of this mixture, just making sure that, again, you do it evenly. And I went ahead and just sprinkled a little brown sugar on top just to create an extra crust once this is done cooking. And again, just a little bit of cinnamon on top, and that's it. That's all it takes. You place the lid on it and set it to low and just let it slow cook for 2 to 3 hours. Mine cooked for a little bit longer that day because I was home and I had the time. Mine cooked for about 5 hours. It had a caramel-like consistency around the edges, and then it had like the cake batter center with the crust of the brown sugar. It was absolutely delicious. I highly recommend that you try this recipe out and take it to a gathering. That caramel bubbling around the edges of the slow cooker was absolutely delicious. And I went ahead and added a little vanilla ice cream on top just to top it off. If you like quick and easy recipes and you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.